When COVID hit, we realized pretty quickly that that life as we knew it in the entertainment business was going to be completely different, and we had to pivot hard and pivot quick.
Because we just got the biggest project we ever have had handed to us, which is this insane situation where nothing's going to be the same. So we had to figure out solutions, and that kind of played to our team's strengths to design something that could withstand this type of situation and epidemic in the country. And really proud to be on a team where we already think about innovation on a daily basis.
We identified, taking some of our existing technology and our equipment to help people, and what can we do to contribute to help people get through this pandemic. So right out of the gate, we started working on field hospitals, providing power and data distribution to field hospitals. Our Broadway Scenic facility up in New Windsor had all this machinery and had these people, and they were able to build face masks for first responders.
We are multifaceted in that we have people that design code for automation systems for Broadway shows and corporate shows. Well, those people can now write code for a network thermal scanning technology.
Probably the next thing where we really started focusing on was our streaming services, developing at-home kits. Those at-home kits really evolved into a full-up streaming platform, being able to host events for our customers and be able to have a general session and breakout rooms and be able to all do it remotely. All the streaming stuff has kind of evolved into our digital studios that you see here, where as good as the streaming stuff has been and is, many of our customers needed a higher level of production. Some of the other innovation that we've done this time has been, our XR stage out in Los Angeles, where we've really pushed the envelope on the whole mixed reality, augmented reality environment.
I think over the last 7 months, 8 months, as COVID-19 has continued its spread, our worlds have become smaller. But what we saw is that our creativity/innovation is often enhanced actually when we're exposed to these new extreme situations. We made something work that previously wasn't really glued together. It wasn't something solid. We were never given the opportunity to really make it work all in one environment. And the way we brought the team together, the gear together, very early on, and we learned so much, so many things. And every production has been so specific as well, with a specific need or set of rules and technicality to it. I think the true innovation really came in how we can make everything work together, really. But also in terms of people, this forced us to work together in a way that's, first of all, unprecedented. We're discovering people's strengths and weaknesses in a completely different way. And it also showed how important the team is, how important teamwork is.
And really, the reason we're successful is because of our people. We have a team of people that we put together. We have the people that see the new challenge in front of them. It's daily presented with new phone calls, new challenges from clients are coming in out of the blue. We never really know what the next phone call is going to be.